Okay, so what will happen to Armor? Any comments on the recent hack? Yes, very good question. So for those who don't know, it wasn't really a hack. It was more of a social engineering, basically a theft, right? But basically, a scammer stole 1.2 million tokens from a team member, and they were able to sell that for 600 Ether, basically about 850K USD. Nothing was hacked. The project is still safe. They claim they can recover from here. However, the price did get a beating. If we go to CoinGecko here, right, it's basically down 40% in the last week. Definitely not good. Now, this was 5% of my portfolio. It still is, but obviously the dollar value has gone down. But I'm still holding, because to me, if anything, now is actually a good time to buy. As a value investor, you want to buy the dip. You want to buy when something is very, very undervalued, and nothing has really changed from a technology standpoint. The only thing that happened is they got hacked. I mean, not hacked, but somebody tricked one of the team members into stealing tokens. So this isn't a rug pull per se, but I think for people who were speculating, basically traders, that will definitely wash them out. But if you're a long-term believer in a project like this, then I would still be in, right? Because right now, I mentioned I've basically been yield farming this or staking this, their tokens. So I added liquidity to Uniswap, and it's making 178% APY, and they're paying you in their tokens. So if you believe in the long-term future of this project, this is basically a steal, in my opinion. Obviously not financial advice, but right now I've been using Uniswap for the liquidity, but I'm probably going to add even more to maybe SushiSwap. There was an issue with this, but I think this was resolved. Let me know if you have an interest to see me do this live on the air. I know lots of people have been having issues adding liquidity to pools or doing staking or yield farming. So if that's an interest to anybody, post down below in the comments, and also smash the like button. And if you like it, then I'll do it live on the air. Bill, what any thoughts on Armor from a TA perspective?
All right, so it's a very similar picture, right? Where they kind of just wash it out. This may be a better technical read. I think Ian said it best. You know, I don't think there's a project in crypto that hasn't had some sort of technology hiccup. And this seems like a classic case where you take a big 62% retracement level, like right here, you know, at 0.0049, right? So you get this big red candle, everyone sells, all the stops get run through the big fib number, and then it should come back, right? Because if nothing's fundamentally changed and all the short-term people panicked, really, that's when you should buy. So when I have a more cautious view on the market, like that's actually what I'm looking to do across a lot of coins, is wait for the panic, which I don't know, who knows? That could have been this morning when you woke up. But, you know, you want to buy this type of stuff when people are panicking, right? Like, wow, there was a hack in crypto? Really? You know what I'm saying? I mean, it happens all the time. So if you like the coin and everyone is losing their mind, you know, it's a testimony to the nature of the market, right? Like 1 minute, everything is going to 10x, and I need to invest in things that have no white paper and no team. The next minute, something that's decent, everyone's dumping it and freaking out.
Tokenmetrics is a cryptocurrency investment platform that helps users leverage machine learning to become better crypto investors. Our in-depth analysis helps eliminate the emotions of investing, find profitable investment opportunities, and filters out scams. Learn more at tokenmetrics.com.